once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. What we're going to be doing today is just showing you very quickly how to fold sambusas or samosas, whatever you call them. As you can see, we've got some phyllo or samosa pastry there, which you can just buy in the supermarket. It's really cheap and you get hundreds of them, so just really convenient. So I had a few emails about this. So as you can see, we've got a strip there. This is the desired effect that we're going for. Got some filling on the end. I mean, we're using a potato filling, but you can be using anything you want. Right here, I've got some glue. This is water and flour. We're just going to use a little bit of that just to mix together, just to kind of help it glue together. So here we go. This is how you do it. So you fold into the edge there. Again, you fold to the opposite side. One more fold there. Now you're going to put a little bit of glue on there, just with your finger in there, and that's it. Another fold there, and then over. That's it. And just one more time, we'll show you. Fold, fold there, one more fold, touch of the flour and water glue, and that's it. Okay, hope that's helped. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Lots of love.